Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Match Factory game on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the App Store from your device. And once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Match Factory and start your search. Once you find the Match Factory application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Match Factory game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the game. And now once you open it up, you can proceed with logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new account and immediately start enjoying the Match Factory game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Match Factory game on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.